Hello YouTubers, today's Friday, May 9th, 2025 here in Los Angeles. And today's vlog, I'll be talking about what I just got in the mail. Everything I just got in the mail. I just got the newer ap150c metal RGB video light in the mail. And I just came in like 20 minutes ago. I also got the battery for it, for a newer battery. Let me see the model. It's the newer, shit. Let me tell you anyway. You open it up. So it's a brand. It's a battery made by Newer. No? Okay, there it is. There it is. See, it weighs about a pound. The battery. Shit. I have a light. And the battery. This battery is the PSI50E. No wait, PS150E. Yeah. And that is the AP150 150C.